This is one smart fisherman. Got his own boat. And he's been going on the water fishing. Oh, and he can move it just like pedal a bike. Lovely. He's watching the fisherman up here, you see? Those are other fishermen. This is the smartest guy. Wow, there's so many black. Do you see the black mosquitoes?
Yeah.
The hell with that. I better finish my video and keep moving. Look at this guy. He's a smart fisherman.
Yeah.
What a beautiful day, huh?
Gorgeous.
Like we have winter and then we have summer. See, he's gonna fish and get some exercise. And enjoy the mountain. Lovely.